Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today in this video we are going to talk about subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns be verb and also contractions. In my previous video, Basic English Grammar Part 3, we had a talk about the subjective pronoun. You can go to the video and watch it once again so that the connect of the lesson is related to the previous video. The link is there in the description box. Let us have a look here, and this is a recap of the previous video. First, we have the subjective pronoun, and we have next to it the be verbs. Am, is, and are. I know what is there in your mind. What is be verb? How, when, and where to use it? The verb to be is an irregular verb that has multiple forms. To be verb can be used to describe or tell us something about the condition of people, things, places, and ideas. For example, we can use be verb to describe a person age. He is 19 years old. It also can describe the nationality. I am an Indian. It also can describe a job. They are teachers. It also can describe other trait like we are hard-working people. One thing also we should remember and keep in mind that be verb change its form in different tenses and in the singular and plural forms of the first, second, and third person. Let us have a look. I am a teacher. The contractions of I am is am, and the contraction is the faster and the quicker way to say the be verbs. So the first one is I am, and the contraction, the quick way to say it is am. Next, he is, and the contraction form is his. Same as she is. Contraction form is she's. The next is it is. The quicker form, the contraction is its. You are become your. We are become we're. They are, the contraction is their. Let us move to the next part. We are going to look at this sentence. Here I have used only the contractions. So instead of I am, I used I'm. I'm a student. That means one student. So we have to say as student. Many people make a mistake by saying I'm student, but that is wrong because we have to put a before the singular. Now let us read it, and you have to listen very carefully. I'm a student. See, it is not sounding different word. It should sound all in one word. I'm a student. Repeat after me. I'm a student. See, there is no gap between I am a student. No, it should sound one. I'm a student. Next sentence also will sound the same. He's a student. He's a student. She's a student. She's a student. Now the next sentence is it. Remember, it is used for thing, animal, place. So here we have to say it's a dog. The next one, you're a student. Please repeat, you're a student. Here, we're students. Just look, there is no a now before a student. There is many students and there is s at the end of student because It's a plural. We removed A and we added S to the noun. We are students. The last one also is similar to the previous one. There are students. There are students. There is no A. We removed A and we added S after the noun. We are going to look for more examples. Please listen and repeat carefully after me. The first one, I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I'm a girl. I'm a girl. He's a man. He's a man. He's a boy. He's a boy. She's a woman. She's a woman. She's a girl. She's a girl. It's a chair. It's a chair. It's a cat. It's a cat. You're a singer. You're a singer. You're a friend. You're a friend. We are sisters. We are sisters. We are brothers. We are brothers. There are people. There are people. There are cars. There are cars. I hope this video helped you to understand the subject pronouns and the be verb and also how to make it into contractions. Now I want to share a little bit about myself using the lesson. So let us look here. First, I'm a mother. I'm a mother. I'm a mother. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm an Indian. I'm an Indian. I am an animal lover. I'm an animal lover. You must have noticed that in front of the word I used a because it's a singular, and in some other words I used an. If you have any doubt regarding this, I have already made a video when we use a and when we use an. If you have any doubt or confusion about using a and an before the noun, you can go to the link in the description box and watch the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye. Love and peace to all.